All right, all right. It is Wellness Wednesday. Yes, 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 yes. And you know that wellness does not just involve uh, physical wellness, feeling good in your body, but it also embodies feeling good in your skin, feeling good in your mind, feeling good in your emotions, right? So today we're going to look at feeling good, the well-being of your self. What does that mean? This is my question for you, what does your best self look like? What does it look like today? Let me clarify. What does it look like today? Not off in the future somewhere, but today. What does your best self look like? Because it's a journey, right? We're not going to be this perfect person all of a sudden. It is a journey for real, right? But the best self today, that's what I want to know. What does your best self look like today? So what I want you to do is choose one thing that you're working on about yourself. It could be anger management. It could be time management. It could be learning how to listen more effectively. Learning how to appreciate who you are right now and what you have to offer right now. Right? That can be a challenge all by itself, right? So let's get into that. Let's get into that. So I want you to think about one thing you want to do today to uplift and be that best self that you can be today. Now, you may not be able to, you may not have the wherewithal to be that person, that's going to just not get mad at that certain somebody. But you can do your best to avoid that person for today, just today. Or you can do your best to look at yourself and see, is there something that you're doing to cause unnecessary friction? Type this right. So this is what I would like you to do on this Wellness Wednesday. I want you to think of ways to encourage yourself, encourage that best self to come forward. Okay? How can we do that? Well, you can write down some doables, things that you know you can do right now. What you know you can do right now, like a particular part of your room that needs to be organized, more organized. You've been procrastinating for the longest. You're not going to do the whole room, but just that corner of the room, you're going to put some things in order. Write that down, that you're going to do that. Okay? And what about giving voice to what you will do today? What are the errands you needed to run? What are the things you're going to say to yourself in the mirror? You know what? You can even make a recording of yourself and then you talk to yourself. Self, this is what we're going to do today. We are not going to put it off another day. We are getting it done today because I love you. And I want you to be a better you. So we are going to get that done today. How powerful is that? To record just on your phone. Let's take advantage of this technology, right? Okay, so what do we say? Write down the doables. Give voice to what you will do today. And then those that you know are really in your corner, those that encourage and support you, let them know that one thing that you're going to do. That one thing that you are encouraging yourself in. Let them know. So guess what? They will encourage you also. And I'm only talking about the ones that you know are in your corner. That's who you tell. All right? You know what I'm talking about. And then after you've done those things, then choose these things to do. Pray, meditate, breathe, envision your best today self. See yourself cleaning that area of the room and looking at how neat and clean it is. See yourself talking to that person that gets on your last nerve. See yourself talking to that person in a calm voice with a genuine smile on your face. Yes. Pray that through. Think that through. Envision that. See it in your mind. See it. And tell yourself, that's me. That's me. I am calm. I am smiling. I am comfortable talking to and listening to that person without judgment. I am calmly listening to and talking to that person without judgment. Woo! Yes, that's why you have to pray. Oh, yes. And guess what? The last thing you want to do is celebrate yourself. Celebrate. Bravo. Look at what I did. Yes, I did it. That's right. I did it. I did it. That means if I did it once, I can do it again. Right? You have to celebrate. Don't look over those small celebrations. It's important. It's very important to you getting to the next one and the next one. You'll look forward to celebrating when you see that your growth, that's what it's about, right? That's wellness. Wanting to grow and flourish and just be the best you, right? So put these things into action. This is good for you. It's good for me. So I encourage you. And I hope that I'm in your corner. You see me as in your corner, right? The one that will support you. You can call me or you can send me the video of you talking to yourself. Whatever you text me, let me know what that one thing is. And I will support you in it. I will clap for you. I will praise you in it. Because I know that you are making steps to be that best you. All right? All right. Go ahead with your bad self. Enjoy your day.